Can hackers truly see you through your phone or your laptop camera without you knowing? Some even go as well as covering their camera with tape because they think someone might be watching them without their notice. Hello guys, my name is Cybersecurity, and on this channel we talk about cybersecurity and tips ways to stay safe online. On this particular video we're talking about if a hacker can actually spy on you through your phone camera, and if they can, how you can protect yourself. The truth is that hackers cannot randomly access your device camera without any action from you. Modern smartphone even asks for permissions from you before certain application can access your camera. With the advancement of technology today, most functions from your devices need your permission before they can grant certain access to applications. So the problem we have today is that most applications are built with malicious software in them. Most of the applications you see online today, as you are installing them, you are also installing some malicious software that is built inside them, and those malicious software can go as well as granting permissions on your phone to the attacker. This is an example. If an attacker is trying to get access to your phone camera, he can maybe trick you to install an application, maybe a photo editor, music application, whatsoever application that seems normal. By the time you install this application, and this application will grant access to the attacker, but without you installing the application, there's no way possible for the attacker to just get access to your camera. So here are signs that your phone might already have this type of application running. So number one, like if you find out your phone camera indicator and you see them coming up on their own, it might be that your device already had a malicious software running on the background or application. Also, if you see that your phone starts to become hot all of a sudden, just like that, without any physical faults or technical issues, you should know that okay, maybe an application is running on the background, because sometimes if those malicious software are running, they are actually making your phone function while you think your phone is asleep. So that might be the reason why your phone is getting hot. And also, if you find out that your battery starts to drain faster than normal, so those are signs you can check out for. So here are some ways to protect yourself from this type of attack. One is always install applications from known sources, just like the Play Store and Apple Store. And also, if you find an update on your phone or your device, go ahead and update it immediately. So if there's certain bugs, it will be fixed. And also protect yourself by reviewing information certain applications are seeking for from you before you granting them those permissions too. So even when camera spying is rare, but it is still possible, because when you are unaware about cybersecurity and security awareness in general, you go ahead and install applications from sources that are not legitimate, and you can actually be granting access to certain attacks like this. So if you find this video helpful, quickly like and subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos like this.